Hi, I'm going to go through these really quickly. Hopefully I don't screw up, but Mark, I'm sure you'll let me know if I do. Okay, 3 to the 4th. You distribute the exponent on the outside, so then you have x to the negative 12 and y to the 20th. 3 to the 4th, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. X to the negative 12 goes to the denominator to make it positive 12. And then y to the 20th is in the numerator. Hold on a second. Aaron, stop screaming. I'm taking a video. A to the 8th divided by a to the 4th. You can take a to the 4th out of both. 8 minus 4 is 4. So you have a to the 4th in the numerator. 42 and 63 are both divisible by 7. 42 divided by 7 is 6. 63 divided by 7 is 9. Hey, look. 6 and 9 are both divisible by 3. So you end up with 2. A to the 4th over 3. I'm glad they're done. Finding all the cookies. Okay, here we're multiplying two powers. Negative 21 x y to the 5th times 5 x to the 7th y to the 4th, or y to the negative 4th. Negative 21 times 5 is negative 105. X times x to the 7th, well, that's x to the 1st times x to the 7th, so when you multiply them together, you add the exponents, x to the 8th. Y to the 5th times y to the 4th. Well, if we just add the exponents, y to the 5th times y to the negative 4, 5 plus negative 4 is just 1y. So that should be your answer. Now, another way of thinking about that, the negative 21 xy to the 5th, it's a soft paper, times 5x to the 7th. You can put the y to the negative 4 all in the denominator to make it y to the positive 4. And then you can cancel that way. Take 4 out of here and 4 out of there, so you have y to the 1st left. Okay. That's another way of handling the y's. All right. Number 4, answering scientific notation. Well, you can think of this as a product of powers, with the 2.8 and the 2.5 being the coefficients where you just multiply them together. And actually, if you take 2.8 times 2.5, you end up with 7. And then times, think of this as a to the 5th and a squared. When you multiply powers together, you add their exponents. So 5 plus 2 makes 7. So you end up with 7 times 10 to the 7th power. All right. And then number 5. Well, that's not very focused. Come on, focus. Let's make that focus better. Oh, maybe not. 4.8 times 10 to the 6th divided by 1.6 times 10 squared. We can do the same thing. Consider the coefficients. 4.8 divided by 1.6, 48. So it'd be 3. And then think of the tens as a to the 6th divided by a squared, as if it was just a variable. Take a squared out of each, you know, a to the 4th, so it'd be like 10 to the 4th. Okay, I'm going to adjust the focus and start another video for the rest of it.